In this video, we'll talk about 1.5 Objective 4, where we convert numbers from ordinary notation to engineering notation. Engineering notation is different from scientific notation in that the number that is before the power of 10 can be anywhere between 1 inclusive to 1,000 not included, and it is always going to have a power of 10 where the exponent is going to be a multiple of 3. So we're going to be able to look at that and say, oh, these are thousands, millions, billions, trillions, whatever. It's going to be a power of 3 like that, so that we can easily use our units of like megahertz or gigahertz, or let's just go with memory, bytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, so on, that we are not going to use the units that are in between them that are tens and hundreds of those things. We're not going to use powers of 10 to represent that, because we're only going to use those units, and we'll talk about hundreds of megabytes or tens of gigabytes or whatever. So that's just very much how people are going to talk, and we can easily convert that power of 10 to a metric prefix. So that's what's going on here. So we're going to look at this, and we're going to say that this is 32.1 billion, right? So let's just put this in the calculator, and let's put it in engineering mode so you can see it. I've changed it from scientific to engineering. So 32 and then 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and it's 32.1 times 10 to the 9th. So that's, but we would just look at this and say this is 32.1 billion. So those are, let's see, kilo, mega, giga. So this is 32.1 giga, whatever the unit is here. All right. So this one here is 0. Let's get on my calculator. 0.0000034 is 3.4 times 10 to the negative 6th, right here. And so that tells me that I am in the tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So that's 3.4 millions. And so those would be micro, whatever unit. So 3.4 like micrometers or micro amps or something like that. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 1.5 Objective 5. See you for the next video.